When clients in the oilfield industry need excavation, bulldozer service, or site preparation, they turn to Roberto's Backhoe Service Incorporated. Our business, based in McCamey, Texas, currently operates in the Permian Basin area. We have one of the most qualified workforces in West Texas, from bulldozer service to grading, excavating, road building, land clearing, and dirt work of all sizes. We have every job covered. Call Roberto's Backhoe Service Incorporated today to discuss your next job. 432-296-6927.